Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to create a dictionary and add some new keys to it. But before we start, remember, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, it will take you 1 second. Okay, thank you very much for doing that. So here we go. Cars is equal to creating a dictionary here. So it's going to be mini. And that's going to be UK, so mini UK, and we're going to have Ford, which is going to be, of course, America, and I think we'll have one more. I think we'll have something like Porsche, which is going to be Germany, of course, which is going to be Germany. Okay, so that's our little dictionary list there. So we're going to create a function where we're going to add a new key to this. So obviously I'm going to name it something like add a new key, so make it totally obvious to the user what this is all about. So new key is going to be equal to import, so that's the new key, so we're going to put key there. Okay, new value is going to be equal to input. That's going to be value. Okay, so here we go. We're going to use the conditional statement now. Just check if new key is in there. Okay, conditional here if new key in cars, we're going to do something, and we're going to print. If that key is already in there, we're going to tell the user it is. So we're going to say the key is already in here. Okay. And then we're going to print try again. Okay, and that's going to be add a new key. So we're going to go back up to the top and try again. Or else, if that's not the situation, we're going to say cars, and that's going to be new key. It's going to be equal to new value. Then we're going to print new cars. Going to be cars new key. Okay, and then we're going to print out the whole dictionary, which is going to be cars, so you can see that it's been appended. Okay, all we have to do now is actually call this function, and that's add a new key. That's how we call the function. Add a new key. Just going to save it now and let's run it, shall we? Okay, so let's add a new key. Let's say we've got a mini, we've got a Ford, let's say Toyota. Toyota, and that's from Japan. Okay, So there you go, it's added it. Just expand that for you. So we've got Toyota Japan. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Thank you very much for that. And I'll catch you in another video. Remember to like, hit the subscribe button. It'll help the channel out. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye-bye.